Welcome to NV Shopee Sales and Marketing Private Limited. Friends, I am your life coach. In the market there are many plans, but there are 2-3 plans in the market which is going well and it will go in the long run. I am here to introduce the one of the good plan, that is NV Shopee. What is NV Shopee? Where there are many benefits for each, and when you join by 599, you not only enjoy the repurchase, there are many more 11 incomes that you can earn from this NV Shopee. Let me tell me what is NV Shopee. NV Shopee was introduced in last year during COVID. At presently, they have already have put around 65 shops in the market, and presently 400 shops are still in the trend. So you will be knowing how much this NV Shopee is moving so fast. Almost there are 1.5 lakh people have joined in this NV Shopee, and there are more. There are crores people in this world. So you can join and enjoy the benefits in this present situation. As you know, many jobs are lost, and there is salary cut for many people, and this is a great opportunity for each one of us. Why not join NV Shopee and join this network marketing industry? Let me introduce about NV Shopee. There are three directors in this company. And one promoter. This company has almost 10 more segments where they can help you out. First is NV Shopee, second is this Herbal, this is NV's Digital Education, Road to Bollywood, the Rubik Digital Marketing Platform, Real Estate Platform, the Papad and Pickle Industry, Tejarat, where you can join as a franchise and become a mini CA. They are about to introduce the NS Pay and Diamond, which is already was introduced 25 years ago. It's a bathroom fitting. What is the credentials of this company? They have all the necessary certificates, letter of incorporations, GST number, TAN number, PAN India, FSC certificates, GST registration, ISO certificates, and many more. If you do course in this NV Digital Education, you get certificate also by completing the course. In 1 year, they have already received one award for fast growing grocery retail stores. The vision of this company is to get more and more shops, more than 2,000 shops in this whole, in every pin code of India. And they want to reach out to 10 crore customers in these 4 years. And they can do it. What is NV Shopee? We all people buy daily grocery things. Here we are not doing anything different. We are giving you the same thing what we buy daily, like DMart, like Big Bazaar. We buy everything from the DMart. So in the same way, you only need to change the shop. You'll get the same discount. Price is also the same. Only have to change the shop, and this by purchasing from here, you get a repurchase income where you are not getting in the in first. Now you can get this in this present situation. You can get every types of material like grocery, vegetables, organic, electronics, household, personal care, clothing, health products, and many more. These are all the leading brands that is connected, and we give all this same product which we have been purchasing from years. We are not doing any different. Tata, Amul, Cadbury, Patanjali, Tropicana, Coca-Cola, Everything that we are doing first, we are doing the same thing. You have to purchase it and you get the benefits. This Shopee is available in two models. One is online, where you can purchase from online, and offline, where already 65 shops have come in the market, and more. We are aiming for 2,000 shops in every pin code in India. Many people can register can tie up with NV Shopee. Now say there is a person in vegetable market in your market, you can enroll that person, and he can also tie up with NV Shopee and get all his customers and grow his business. You can tie all like interiors, clothing industry, clothing persons, retail, gold, electronics. They can also tie up with NV Shopee, and they also get the benefits and more customers from NV Shopee. So you can enroll free of charge in vendor app. These are all the franchise that are already opened in the market, around 65 shops. Now there are almost 400 shops that are in the pipeline. So there is it's a growing industry. This are also trying to go in the hyper trade market, where each and every retailer, shopkeepers, hotel, restaurants can also tie up with NV Shopee and grow their business. This NV Shopee has around 13-14 products where we can join and register in this. You can take the kit of 2200 where all types of grocery are available. You can see in the website. You can also join by by getting this kit. This is around 6000 by 400 PV when you join. Almost whatever you can take from this, almost it should be 400 PV, and you can register for free by purchasing the product from here. It's not necessary you have to purchase one time. So you can purchase 2000, 2000 or 3000, whatever you do. But 400 PV, 3 bills you can do in one, then you can join it by free. There's 599 course where this is a 3 months course where we teach you digital marketing or English speaking course for only for 599, and it's a 3 months online course, and you get a certificate for this, and you can register in NV Shopee. You can also join by 699 where you get hand sanitizers and mask. You can also join by the 699 kit folder where you get a full NV plan folder where you can teach the other person how to join NV. There's 799 kit also where there are two types of kits available. You can go into website and join it, or there is also veg masala 899 pack, non-veg pack also. There is also 1299. This also user kit where you can avail the t-shirt and this kit. In 129 you also get a laptop bag where you can join in register. By purchasing this you can register in NV. There's one more. This is the beauty of this. There are 2 courses available in this. Digital marketing, English, both courses you'll get by joining at 1099. It's a 3 months course and you get certificate. There is 1699 course, this also, and this is the beauty of this kit. One Tejaras kit. In this you learn many things. You can join this franchise, and you can enroll and you can do your business by if anyone want to file income tax returns, form 16, pan card, Aadhaar card, trademark. If you want to do web designing, graphic design, we do everything in one platform. You have to register in 299. We get many more benefits with this kit. Franchise kit benefits, 299 valid balance, t-shirt, visiting cards we make, ID cards, training certificates we give. We give 50 brochures where you can market your product. Marketing images are there, many things. In this you can do your own business. You will be the franchise of this. You have to just bring your customer, and then all this be taken care by us. And this there's also one more kit, 41 and 1199. In this also you can join. What you get from NV Shopee? There are 11 types of income, like a self-purchasing profit, repurchase bonus, matching bonus, team purchase bonus, user promotion bonus. User promotion bonus, I'll tell you more about this because there are three kits where you can by joining by this kit number 13, 12, 11. The 3-4 kits, if you join directly, you go directly, you get this benefit of user promotion bonus. Card fund you get, house fund you get, royalty bonus you get, pension fund bonus, franchise bonus, vendor bonus, and many things. What is self-purchase income? When you purchase anything from NV Shopee, you get discount to 1 to 50% on each and every. It can be 10%, 15%, sometimes 50%. Referral income is what? Referral income in every day, each and every person, when he likes something, we tell our friends, this is good shop, go and purchase it. So this, by referring anyone, you'll get referral income. Per head you'll get rupees 200 by just referring a person. Till years we have not been we were referring people for free. By referring person you will get referral income. What is matching bonus? When you join NV, this is you. You can 2% directly. This is compulsory. 2% should be direct down, and 1 is 1. The ratio should be 2:1 for the first level, and the first two level 200 200 you will not get. You will get this in this. This money is carried forward in users promotion bonus, which I'll let you know in further. This 400 is forwarded to user promotion bonus. That is 400 where it gets calculated, that I'll tell you in further. But you have to make 2:1 ratio, 1:2 left or right, 2:1. And after that you can do directly 1:1 ratio after that. Then you that directly 1 whatever that you bring, 200 rupees you get. What team purchase income? This is the backbone of this industry. This we distribute around 12% total amount. From one, there are total 20 levels. If you can see 1 to 20 levels. To 1 to 16 levels we give 0.5% level income. And from 17, 18, 19, 20 we give 1%. Now say if your team is, if you join 2%, one first level 2%, then 2% join 2 more. 2, 4, 8, calculate. Now say I am saying if you join till 20 levels, if you join till 18 level, 7 level also, whatever the amount, say 1%, 128 people are there, around 2000 people person has purchased around 1000 rupees from the NV Shopee. The 120 into 1000 into 0.5%, that money will be added in your e-wallet. That is called team repurchase income. Now say 256 people are there in your team, and one person has purchased only 1000 rupees per head, per person. 250 into 1000, and whatever the amount is into 0.5, that money will be added in your team repurchase income. Only for 17, 18, 19, 20, 1% we give. What is user promotion bonus? That I told you, the 400 is collected here, is forwarded in user promotion. See here, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, this way. When first person did the 40, that this 400 is forwarded here. We are not doing anything. That money which you have collected, we are giving you back in this user promotion. As you finish this level, the 2000 is carried forward to next level. See here, 200, 200, that same 200 is collected here. There you get, from the first level you get 22,640, second level you get around 1,14,000, 10,000 is forwarded, the same 10,000 is forwarded here. You can see here. Then next level we 7,40,000 is collected, then 50,000 is forwarded to the next level. Again the same thing goes forward in fourth level, The 42 lakhs amount is collected, 2 lakhs is forwarded to next level. This way we get total, there are 6 levels, and total income is around 6 crores from just from this user promotion bonus. Your income will be around 6 crores approximate. As you go forward, this is not the end. We also have many achievements. People can get luxury fund. There is car fund, which 2-3 people have achieved in this industry. If you give a target up to 10,000 matching pairs, you get a 25 lakh car fund, 1 crore bungalow. If you give 30,000 matching, you also get pension fund performance. If you get 5 lakh matching pair within 9 years, you have to complete this, then you get this. You get 5%. There is also royalty life, in which only doctors, scientists they get. In this we give for Star Diamond Club we give 5%. If you give business of 1 year, in 1 year 1 crore. If he becomes a Ruby Diamond Club, if he gives business of 5 crores in 2 years, 5% we give. Club Diamond Club, we give 10 crore in 4 years. Here also we give 5%. There are different, we also give rank achievement. If person has done good work, 500 pair, they get a recognition, silver star, 2000 pair, gold star, 5000 pair, pearl star, diamond star, 2000 pair, diamond star, 50,000 pair, double diamond, crown, 1,50,000 pair, crown, and 5 lakh pair, crown ambassador. And this is not the end, there is also a franchise bonus. If you refer any shopkeeper and he want to join us, you get 3% referral bonus. On top of that, you will get every business that is gone in that shop, you get 0.3% every month from that shop. There are different bonuses the company gives every month, in months, that also you can achieve in this. There's this has been completed. There is this bonus, a yearly bonus. You can achieve this if you complete 50,000 pair. You get this. The last days for this achievement is April 22. These are the 2 persons who has achieved the car fund achievement. Congrats to them. And this is not a joke. They have done it, and they are getting the car fund achiever award monthly wise. See, you can see the car, how this Kukreja madam has got this car bonus achiever. And see this, all the people that have got the ranking, silver star ranks, gold star rank. This also, if you do achieve this targets, you get this ranking, and we put in our website. Pearl star rank achievement. This is the first NV Shopee first diamond achievement. She is a very hard worker. She is the only person who has achieved this in 1 year. This can transfer money from this. We deduct only 10% in your income. Minimum withdrawal amount is 200. You need not put withdrawal amount. It will be automatically transferred in your account if you do your KYC. This is the best plan. You can go through this plan. I think this is the best industry which will never stop, because everyone will buy, till the person is living, he will buy food. So why not join this and get all this promotions, repurchase incomes, matching bonus. In this matching bonus you get 40 rupees per head. 2 matching, this per head you get 40. If you calculate, if there are 500 pairs, you calculate 500 into 40 pairs. That also is the income. Referral income, if you get 100 people, into 200 you catch. But see, this also is the income. There are many more incomes in this, and we are planning to bring more things in this. Go in the website and check it out yourself. Thanks for now. From Team Developer, your team coach.